Hi News Studio, viewers in Warangal and Telangana and in India. The story is, or the topic is regarding the pharmacists. The pharmacists are very much looting daily basis, like in crores, lakhs and thousands of billing in hospitals and in retail outlets. Who will save the pharmacist life? I request CM and Health Minister, other ministers to safeguard the pharmacist life in Telangana and Hyderabad. After that, our PM sir and our Health Minister, our Central Minister should bother about the pharmacists. Nowadays, farmers are very much struggling in the very cold seasons, in cold weather conditions in Delhi. And for them, why the delay, and as well as why the delay for the pharmacists. Without prescription, the pharmacist shops are running. Without pharmacist, the license is running and medicines are dispensing. Pharmacist role is to dispense the medicines with the prescription. And nowadays, the owners or organizations, they are not looking after pharmacist benefits. Only they need the certificate to display on the wall, like photo frame on the wall. And drug inspectors from the pharmacy background should save the pharmacist. And we write a 20% share, what we write in a judicial bond, not a piece of a white paper. We consider under a staff, but there are no good salaries for the pharmacists. There is no facilities for the pharmacist. In Basti Davakhanas also, there is no pharmacist. Without pharmacists, the people are dispensing the medicines as they like. When there is no pharmacist and drug inspector get commenter and puts notice, and he take us to cases and put him in the court. Now the pharmacists are not working in the Basti Davakhana. Why? And why you can't people suggest the health department or the concerned Basti Davakhana? This is a matter. And from the colleges, I request from the professors, from the scientists, let us have a very good discussion in Pragati Bhavan with the CM sir, with Health Minister and the IT Minister. Now why? Because now the IT Minister is very much projecting on pharmacity. In pharmacity, we need an opportunity to enter in the jobs in future. Meanwhile, please safeguard the pharmacists. Why the delay? Why the delay? Please, all are suffering. So many youth has studied M.Pharm, B.Pharm and D.Pharm. They are struggling with working with the less salaries. And in industry side, there is no few entry for pharmacists. And the other part, they are taking MSc related, chemistry related people and giving training in and giving the jobs, that also in a less salary manner. I request my government to start up a very good industry, one non-IT industry and one pharmaceutical industry, one school, one hospital and a very good education hub, like things so. So people will not migrate completely to Hyderabad. Hyderabad is a place where traffic is full jam. When rain comes, the city is getting jammed and directly drainage system has been collapsed. So my request is, give employment, job opportunities, industries in each category in way of this thing in districts. Labor Minister or Health Minister should bother about the pharmacist life. Thank you very much. Thirumal Rao from Indian Pharmacist Association Vice President. Thank you.